This Money Minute is brought to you by Schoolsfirst Federal Credit Union.
With subscriptions becoming a bigger part of our lives, it's important to make sure they're working for you. From streaming services to meal kits, it's easy to lose track on how much you're spending each month. One of the biggest challenges is subscription creep. This is when you sign up for multiple subscriptions over time and they quietly add up. Auto renewals make it easy to forget about them, and before you know it, you're spending more than you planned. On average, people in the U.S. spend about $91 a month on subscriptions. That's over $1,000 a year. So, how can we get a handle on it? Start by reviewing your subscriptions often. Take inventory of current subscriptions and cancel those you no longer need. Look for opportunities to bundle services or downgrade plans. By being intentional, you can keep your subscriptions in check and avoid unnecessary spending.
This has been your Schoolsfirst FCU Money Minute, federally insured by NCUA.